In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can view your analytics on the YouTube app on your phone. Now, let's begin. Click on YouTube, log on to your YouTube account, click on your YouTube profile at the upper right hand corner by the search page, click on your channel. Then what you wanna do is click on the analytics icon by the pencil icon. And then that's when you'll be able to view your analytics or which videos that actually rank higher. For example, traffic source is being searched higher than channel page. Or if you want to see how much views you get, you can see it, or you can slide your fingers to see what you have gained, what your watch time, hours, or how much subscribers you get. Hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to see your analytics on your YouTube phone app. If that helps you out, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.